Hello and welcome to another episode of What Travis Says. My name is Travis, and this is the last video I'm going to be doing in front of this wall. A couple days ago I received a letter from my landlord saying that this wall is a violation. The reason being is that this is a window. There's a window behind the Tardis, and that's not allowed. I didn't know that wasn't allowed. This wall has been up for close to a year now, maybe like 8 months or something, I'm not sure, but they did a security inspection through all of the housing units in my area, and they found me in violation of covering up a window, which, like I said, I didn't know was a thing. But then, after a rather heated discussion with my landlord, the wall needs to come down. I had a similar wall in my last apartment, and I feel with this one I sort of, you know, improved on some of the stuff I didn't really like on the previous wall, and now this wall needs to come down as well. But notice that I didn't say I needed to paint over the wall. The wall needs to come down because this is its own wall. So there's a window back here. Now I just gotta find it. Okay, now I gotta get a drill. See, a lot of these screws are hidden under the paint, so you gotta have to look for where I would have buried the screw. Oh, come on. Oh, where are you attached? Oh, that was supposed to be the epic reveal. Is it right here? Is this it? This is harder than it looks. Okay, so long story short, camera battery died. I have a stripped screw in the wall, which is preventing me from getting the rest of the wall off of the wall. I tried drilling into the screw. I tried a hammer. I tried all sorts of tools that I have right here. Now I have to use the Dremel, because I'm going to cut around it, because I want to save as much of this wall as I can, and dremeling into the wall is probably going to be my best bet. You see that right there? It's not giving, so it's gonna need to be cut so I don't snap it. There we go. Hey look, there's a window! I don't know why I yelled that. That was more to my landlord than you guys. Okay, new plan. I need to empty this room. Yeah, it's a little easier now. And by little, I mean I can get it out of the room, but I guess I can't get it out of the hallway. Come on. Come on, you big hunk of wood. Let's go. Come on. Now, hopefully, this lower section will be a little easier to take off. Hopefully being the operative word. That's no good. This keeps happening. That's not a good thing. Okay. New drill bit. All right, we're going old school. Can't strip a nail this way. Ta-da! I know it doesn't look like it, but the lower part is a lot bigger than the upper part. The lower and the upper. That's the kind of grammar I'm using today. That's how tired I am. The lower and the upper. You know, when I put these things up, I had the help of 2 other people. Taking them down, pretty difficult as well with one person. And there it is, the Tardis wall is down, but not forgotten, or dead even really, because I'm scoping out other locations where I might throw it back up, depending on how difficult it is to do it by myself. But all I need to do now, get these planks of wood off the wall, patch the wall up, so that way I don't get fined or sued or evicted, because those would all be bad things. And so I'm going to do my best to make sure that doesn't happen. But as always, my name is Travis. Thank you for listening to what I have to say, and you will see me soon as I get a new wall up, depending on where it goes and what it is and when that will be. So stay tuned.